Hi, this is Jill Fenichel from Bon Genre, and today we're going to put together a two-tier plateau. Taking the bottom rod in your hand, you can put it through the largest plate, making sure that the bar is barely peeking through. You want to twist the check nut onto the rebar till it's tight. Flipping the plateau up, you'll then see that you've got the receiving upside down screw waiting for the small plate. Taking the small plate and resting it on the screw, you can then take the top tier holder with the ring on it and putting it through the hole, twist. Hold this part of the screw in place and twist the top until it becomes tight. That's how you can put the two-tier together. For disassembly, holding the screw underneath the top plate in place, take the whole piece of rebar and unscrew it until it comes off. Then remove the top plate. Now take the bottom plate, unscrew the check nut under the bottom, and remove the plate. Please make sure to wash your plates by hand, dry them off. You could probably put a piece of saran or wax paper between the two plates or bubble wrap for storage, and take your parts and put them into a plastic bag or other location where you'll make sure that all the parts are together. Thank you.